Hi there, my name is Raymond. Today I will share with you a very helpful feature in Spreadshirt and your Spreadshop that drives you to make more sales. This feature I am going to talk about, I am sure that most of you don't know or use. This feature is based on make new products with two designs in opposite sides, front and back, left and side. In some products like t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and especially mugs, because everyone loves to see his mug with two designs in opposite sides, the left and the right sides. So I will make this video short. So let's go to Spreadshirt and make it more clear. Normally when you upload your designs, you make all your products with one design and of course with one side, like this mug, coffee, this toki, this design is on the left side of this mug, so and the right side without any design. Okay, but after using this feature today, we will make your all products with two design in opposite sides, like in this product, this mug. You will find this design bring coffee on the left side of this mug, but the right side has another design, coffee time. So this mug has two designs. Okay, and to know how to make this trick, just go to Spreadshirt, okay, and section of uploading new designs. Okay, just click over it. Here you can upload new designs to make your products with one design, but instead of uploading your designs, go down a little bit and you find a new section regarding creating products with several print areas, which means you can make your products with several designs in opposite sides, back, front, left, right. Okay, just click over it, select designs. Okay, from here you can select your designs that you have uploaded before, okay, to make a new product with two designs. Like I will choose this design, coffee then toki, and this design. Okay, automatically they transferred for front and back, which means you can make your products with these two designs. This design will be on the front page or the front side, like in t-shirts and hoodies, and this one will be in the back side. Okay, and if you want to specify these designs for products like mugs for left and right side, just simply drag the design below like this, which means you can make your mugs with left side this design and the right side with this design. Okay, just go apply and go to adjust this new products with the two designs. Okay, normally sell in Spreadshirt marketplace and your Spreadshop, coffee, tea, next. Okay, all available products. Okay, select all, done, next. Create. Here you have your all products with two designs, front and back and left and right. To preview, like this t-shirt in black. This t-shirt has two designs. In the front side, coffee then toki, and the back one has this design. I don't rise and shine. Let's try another product like mugs. Okay, we have decided the design on the left one and the another design on the right one. Okay, so you can make your products with two designs, or you can make the same design on both sides but just upload the design again. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Goodbye.